Hi everybody, it's Ayo with Wildcat Brothers. Hope everybody's safe out there. I'm going to redo a recipe that I've done in the past. Basically, this is going to be bacon corn maque choux. Now, I usually do this with fresh corn, but right now, since everyone's in quarantine, this is going to be the quarantine edition. So I've got some corn here. I've got the bacon. If you don't have bacon, you can use butter or something else. We just really like doing it with bacon because, right, I make bacon. I've got all my other ingredients, but we've had to throw some spins into it, and we'll show you those in just a second. Right now, I'm going to get started. So we're going to get this bacon going. All right, now that we've got that bacon going, what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide it over. Now I have two cooktops right here. So normally my recipe calls for 1/4 of a cup of cream. So I don't have any cream with me. You may have not run out, and you're not supposed to run to the store to get one little ingredient. So what I'm going to do is show you how you can actually make cream, or the equivalency of cream, at home. We've got 4 tablespoons of butter and 3/4 of a cup of milk. Now it's going to make a little bit extra for this recipe, but I'll go ahead and use that in something else later. All right, so I've got my butter melted. All we're going to do is go ahead and add in the milk and combine them together. Now that we have those combined pretty good, we're going to go ahead and separate off what I need for today, and that is going to be my cream substitute. You're going to need 1 whole onion, diced of course. All right, so our bacon's done. We're going to go ahead and take that out of the pan, and we're going to toss our onions in. Don't forget to add a little seasoning. All right, since we're not supposed to be going to the store to get just 1 ingredient or whatever, I was actually out of 2. So I was out of the cream. No, I was out of 3. Oh, wow, I was out of 3. So cream, we already showed you how to do that. This is some Rotel, and I know pretty much all of y'all probably have a can of this hiding in the back of your cupboard somewhere. So it's tomatoes and green peppers, which I know we're supposed to use bell pepper, but I think green pepper, it's got the tomato. We're gonna go ahead and try it out. This should be really good. Now that bacon's kind of cool, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it up so that we can put it back in with all the rest of the ingredients. That was quality control. That was just quality. I'll make sure I cooked it right. So our onions are nice and brown. What we're gonna do is just throw everything in the pan. All right, now that we've got everything in the pot, I add a little more seasoning. I'm using Paul's blend, salt, pepper, your favorite Cajun seasoning, whatever. Doesn't really matter. I'm gonna put some more of it in. All right, now that we've got that seasoning in, we're just gonna stir this up. Move your heat down to medium-low and just kind of let it chill. Oh, for 15 minutes-ish. All right, so it did take a little bit longer than 15 minutes. We've actually got right about the 22-minute mark, and I think it's done now. Cannot lie to you, we added some more seasoning. I added a little bit of salt while I was tasting. I know y'all just really want to sit here and watch me for 22 minutes. I know there's no one who wants to do that. And I actually ended up using the rest of the butter milk mixture. I didn't think it was creamy enough, and I really didn't have a use yet for that. I was just going to figure something out later. So this is, my quarantine corn maque choux with bacon. So I'm going to dish some of this out. Hope y'all stay tuned. Remember to follow us on Wildcat Brothers, Ayo, and we'll bring you a lot more videos. Please stay safe, and we'll see y'all as soon as we can. Thanks so much.